What's up everybody, welcome back to Dad Does Videos, where today I'm coming at you from my bathroom. I'm going to show you how to flip the lever on these Schlage doorknobs or door levers. I put together a video a few months back where I showed you how to replace your old standard crusty doorknobs with these that are much more modern looking, sleeker looking, and only for a few dollars more. They come pre-installed with the lever going a certain way. So on this one, it is, as you can see, kind of going down. However, you can adjust these. You can pop this lever off, pop the lever off on the other side of this door, and switch places with them. So we'll do that. We'll show you how to do that. And then the new one, so to speak, on this side, the lever will be pointing up. And you might want to do this because it's a personal preference. Maybe the other ones in your house are pointing up and you just want them to be consistent all across the board. The instructions do include a little section on how to do this, but if you're like most people, you're just concerned about installing the doorknob correctly and being done with it. And maybe later you come back and you're just like, oh my gosh, why is that lever facing up or down? And that'd be great if I can flip them because, you know, that's my personal preference. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so within the package that your lever came in, there is a tool that looks like this. And it is simply used to flip the lever on your doorknob. You use the end of it to insert into the hole that is right here, and then the lever just pops off. What's nice about this too is that there's this little, I guess, handle on the end here that you could put your finger in to get a little bit more power behind pushing in on the hole. It takes a little bit more effort than what you're thinking, but that's purposeful, right? You don't want your doorknob just falling off. So let me show you exactly how this works. All right, so you have our magical pin right here. You can see the hole right here. We are just going to put one of our fingers in, start to gently push down on the hole. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a little click that will happen, and then just gently kind of work the lever out. There we go. We'll show you on the other side as well. All right, and here we are on the other side of the door with the other lever. Of course, the same setup. You have our little hole right here. Just keep in mind, this lever, for whatever reason, is a little bit more challenging to get out. I'm not sure if it's because of the locking mechanism inside, but it will come out. Same process that we're going to use. Heard our button go down inside there. Just kind of wiggle that off, and there we go. And since we're already on this side of the door, let's get our lever from the front of the door and just simply press this on. That's all you need to do. And then we'll go around to the other side. And here we are on the other side where we have our lever from the kind of back of the door, so to speak, where we are just going to push this in. Voila! We are back in action with our lever facing up. Thanks for watching, everybody.